Alcohol is the best social lubricant. These words were once said by Benjamin Franklin. But though its use can be relaxing, its abuse can lead to dangerous, even fatal consequences. That alcohol generates drunkenness is general knowledge. How fast it can make you lose your senses, on what factors it depends, and how much time before it gets cleaned out of your system is something math can help us answer. First, we have to talk measures. Alcohol comes in various shapes and sizes, but they are all more or less equivalent. A 12-ounce bottle of beer at 5% concentration is equivalent to a 4.8-ounce cup of wine at 12%, which is the same thing as drinking a 1.5-ounce shot of hard liquor like tequila or whiskey at 50% concentration. Every time you drink one of these, the alcohol content in your blood goes up. Scientists and mathematicians use data from their experiments to know how fast the blood alcohol content goes up and how to quantify their effects. In a man of average height and weight, 5 foot 8 inches and 170 pounds, 2 drinks are enough to get him going with a slight party buzz. With 4 drinks, he might start to get chatty and overexpressive. With 8 drinks, he'll start getting sleepy, and with 16, it could end up being fatal. Time matters though. It's not the same to down 8 drinks in less than an hour than to enjoy 8 glasses through the whole night. How fast you'll get drunk depends on the following equation, where factors such as your height, weight, muscle mass against fat ratio, and speed of drinking are taken into account. The result the numbers show is interesting. The main factor that determines how drunk you are is the percentage of water content in your body. Muscles have more water than fat, and men are usually more muscle-bound than women. Also, a more massive person has more water than a small person. This is why a petite chubby woman with no experience drinking can be floored with only 2 drinks. On the other hand, a massive, strong man laced with muscle will need 7 drinks just to give him a slight buzz. And to stop being drunk, you'll have to wait 80 minutes for every drink you imbibe for a hale and healthy liver to cleanse the blood completely. Somebody who gulped down 4 drinks will need to wait 4 hours before his blood alcohol content is acceptable enough to drive. But the liver has limits and can get overworked. After a certain drink limit, there is no way to clean the blood and the result can be fatal. For everyone else, alcohol will merely dehydrate you and you'll get hungover the next day. For that, everyone has their own magic cure. Rates of change can be used to model how fast a person gets drunk and how long before that person is clean again. Modifying the variables, students can understand how they themselves are affected by alcohol, and using math, they can take home valuable information about responsible consumption that might just one day save their lives and prevent accidents for them and others. Cristigo, education that inspires.